Hey guys, CowCraft here, and welcome back to another video. This is CowCraft Season 2!
Hi.
Today we're here with Cody.
Hi.
And, McCody, yeah.
McCody? I like it.
McCody.
I'm a member of McDonald's.
Yes.
I don't want to be.
No, you're a sandwich at McDonald's.
I'm a sandwich?
Of course, now my FPS goes way down because I'm recording.
Everybody.
Okay, so anyways, we get to our permissions here. This is the spawn point of the world. I'll go through all the other areas over there. There's rankings. I'll show you the ranking board. Owner, that's me. Full op with caution. Creative mode. Creative mode, no op. Survival mode, no op. Survival mode, no op. Keep a close eye out.
Kyle, learn to talk.
Banned. Which we have done to a couple of people. This is Sir Spottington. Well, they're back in now.
Oh.
So anyways, we decided it would be fun to build clans. The clan consists of at least 5 houses, which are usually the same design, with a certain exception for a couple of villages. So this is my clan.
Not mine.
I am the Spruce Tree clan. So I have 7 houses, all with Jeb sheep on top of them, because that was the animal I picked. My villagers are called the Villagers of the Tree. And yeah. And then if you break in, you go down the road here, effect, 16, give myself night vision. We head down here to Rock Bottom.
Hey.
So down here we have Knights 191's village, or Dominic. So this is his village down here. His village was cool. Themed underwater, Prismarine-ish stuff.
For some reason he decided to add bricks to the houses.
This is Carlito. This isn't actually his animal. We have pranks on this server. So currently the server can only hold 12 people because it's a lot of money for any more.
Lot of money.
Actually, it's about the end of the month. We're gonna get charged soon.
That's great. Everyone loves charges.
Yeah, everybody loves being charged. So if we head back up from Rock Bottom, I guess we'll go to the first one when you join in. This is the Shroom Village with the swaggy mushrooms. The majority of all the villagers are dead.
Because they've been jumping off.
I mean, they're dead in all the villages.
Mine are safe. Actually, no, they're dead. No, what? Why are they dead?
They're safe, but they're dead somehow.
Oh, no, mine are alive.
Okay, so this is his village. He's got little acacia houses. All these houses are the same design. Like, they're too big on the inside. They're, like, only 2 blocks big on the inside. And all of our houses are 2 times or 3 times the size of the little ones. We couldn't get mushroom blocks because this is 1.8 and they don't spawn in correctly. Like, they do, but the right colors are a little weird. So over here we have Cody's clan. This is Shroom clan, Underwater clan,
Spaceman clan.
Spaceman clan.
Spaceman clan.
Spaceman clan full of Spaceman stands.
Spaceman stands. And Space Cows.
And the Space Cows.
And there's also a very special villager, and his name is Non-Spaceman Farmer Stan.
Yeah, so they're all called Spaceman stands. We put glass on their heads, but it changed all the villagers on the server, and then somebody killed everybody's villagers.
for some reason. Somebody tore apart my maps.
Who we're trying to figure out who that is still.
Who tore
So
apart
this
my
is Cody's village. Oh, by the way, we all have banners. I don't think I showed mine. So this is the one for villager of the shrooms. He doesn't have one for the underwater. This is mine. Kind of a sprucey tree look. Up here we have Steve's village. By the way, everybody has golems. I don't know what happened to my golems.
Mine is gone
Cody,
too.
yeah, Cody had one golem inside of his house. All the golems are gone, except for Steve's. Golem over
Strange.
jungle tree. They're kind of just hanging underneath. No, I think I remember killing my golems on accident when I got pranked and people spawned a bunch of stuff. So once again, same house.
Someone has a pet skeleton horse.
It's the only house designed with.
I didn't kill them.
Oh, this looks boss.
Okay, Steve, we're recording, by the way.
Welcome to the recording. Randomly, this is like a podcast.
So
now.
this is Steve's clan,
He joined a server.
Jungle Tree Clan. So yeah, his house is a little bit larger. He's got a
Wow.
nuts
I'm super
kind of banner
ghoulish
here.
now.
And then if we fly down over here, the newest of our builds. What are their names, Steve? Steve.
Steve.
Okay, there goes Steve.
No,
Don't
he's
actually
here. He's just not talking. Are you muted?
talk, Steve. You're muted. Whatever. So they have the same house design here as well.
Except they have roofs.
But they have little roofs that stick out of the front, like little overhangs. They don't have any villagers in here yet. That's. Oh yeah, Cody's riding a horse. That's why my hand is all bent with my new skin. I don't know if I've shown that in a recording before.
The pumpkin goblin.
So this is their kind of banner. I think it looks cool. This is Steve's wall of banners. He took mine off the wall. How dare he? There's mine. This is our little Halloween decoration. Just a little pumpkin.
I built it.
I think this
pretty
will
bad.
I think this will probably be uploaded on Halloween. So yeah.
Come on.
Down here we have our little horse area where my horse got killed somehow. But this is Cody's house. Horse.
Horse?
Sir,
Yeah,
Spotted
I live on that horse.
I live inside of this horse, and I thought they smell bad on the outside. Thumbs up for references. Please be courteous to people who work here. Welcome to the town hall. We kind of built it like the White House and like a memorial.
Now, there's a little prank that I found out about.
Yeah, I started killing all these, but didn't finish.
They're horses.
This was the first project we started, and then we kind of stopped it because we started working on all the clans.
And then we're probably going to start it again.
This is our do not laugh. Don't hit the start button.
Kyle made some changes.
I didn't make the changes, and
Yes,
they're showing
you
in
did.
my chat anyways. Anyways, this is our do not laugh.
Good job, Kyle.
Morgan Freeman whispers, Steve, I hope you like cheese. It's about to get dirty up in here. And then we have a scoreboard system set up.
I have somehow made it on top of the... Ow. My horse is hurt.
So yeah, those are basically the clans, and that was the first episode of CowCraft.
That was the first episode? That was the episode?
Actually, I'm probably going to collide episodes. So.
Alright, I was going to say...
Which is pretty easy to do now that I have different editing software.
What are you using?
I can't tell you that on camera, Mon.
Oh, okay. You could tell it in the description. No.
So this is basically the, I'm just gonna pause the video real quick. It's gonna be a new video, but it'll be part 2. But it'll be the first episode. You know what I mean. We're probably gonna do, I don't know. We'll figure out something to build or something. So, thank you guys for watching. Actually, I'll see you in a second. Be right back. Okay, we are back for part 2 of this video. So what we're going to do is we're going to build like a little battle arena in this kind of area. So we're going to start a speed build in a second. So, yeah.
Bollywood ili Hollywood, pojma nema, jer ja sam lud. Džaba vama smedija, uzalud sam trud, bombardujte mozak, ja i dalje sam lud, lud. Ja i dalje sam lud. Vičem protiv vas i nije me blam, ima nas i previše, mozak nije miligram. O ne, mozak nije miligram. Ona meni kaže, ona kaže da sam lud. Ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, nisam lud. Ona meni kaže, ona kaže da sam lud. Ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, šta radite tu? Patuljci znaju fol, dok živim na Balkanu, furam rock'n'roll. Ali nećemo odavde, džaba vam sve pare, dajte malo pravde, daćemo gitare. Niko nije vesla siso, zato samo ovo pisao. Ona kaže da sam lud, ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, nisam lud. Ona kaže da sam lud, ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, šta radite tu? ili Hollywood, pojma nema, jer ja sam lud. Džaba vama smedija, uzalud sam trud, bombardujte mozak, ja i dalje sam lud, lud. Ja i dalje sam lud. Vičem protiv vas i nije me blam, ima nas i previše, mozak nije miligram. O ne, mozak nije miligram. Ona kaže da sam lud, ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, nisam lud. Ona kaže da sam lud, ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, šta radite tu? Patuljci znaju fol, dok živim na Balkanu, furam rock'n'roll. Ali nećemo odavde, džaba vam sve pare, dajte malo pravde, daćemo gitare. Niko nije vesla siso, zato samo ovo pisao. Ona kaže da sam lud, ortaci meni il Hollywood. Pojma nema, jer ja sam lud. Džaba vama s medija, uzalud sam trud, bombardujte mozak, ja i dalje sam lud, lud. Ja i dalje sam lud. Vičem protiv vas i nije me blam, ima nas i previše, mozak nije miligram. O ne, mozak nije miligram. Ona meni kaže, ona kaže da sam lud. Ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, nisam lud. Ona meni kaže, ona kaže da sam lud. Ortaci meni kažu, oni kažu da sam lud. Ako sam lud, šta radite tu? Patuljci znaju fol, dok živim na Balkanu, furam rock'n'roll. Ali nećemo odavde, džaba vam sve pare, dajte malo pravde, daćemo gitare. Niko nije vesla siso, zato samo ovo pisao.